The introduction of Allison's World Transmissions changed the preference for many work truck applications from manual transmissions to automatics. These new transmissions also changed the power takeoff industry, moving from manual or air-shifted PTOs to clutch-shifted units. However, one issue complicated their use for high-powered work truck applications. That issue was space availability. The transmission configuration leaves little room between the transmission, the truck's frame, and components near the PTO openings. Mounting large hydraulic pumps to the PTOs was often impossible. If they could be mounted, many times there was no room for the necessary plumbing. The only solution to this problem was a step back in technology by installing the pump rearward on the chassis and adding an exposed driveline assembly. In response to waste industry customers' preference to move away from the front drive pumps, our engineers devised a solution. In 2001, Muncie Power Products was awarded several patents for the PTO device we call the shaft extension. The shaft extension is simply an add-on component. Mounted to a standard PTO, our shaft extension moves the output pump mount to the rear of the transmission where more room is available. A critical design element was the variation and expansion between the transmission and PTO assembly due to temperature changes. Muncie's patent sliding rear mount provides the necessary movement between the transmission and PTO. Since its release, Muncie has developed over 45 variations of shaft extensions for clutch-shifted and live power applications. And today, over 10,000 units are in service powering firefighting equipment, refuse packers, aerial equipment, and other critical applications. Continuous improvement is a core activity at Muncie. We have taken advantage of 3D engineering design, automated manufacturing, heat-treat advancements, and anti-friction coatings in product development. 3D CAD provides the means to accurately design precision components to fit the Allison transmission. And advanced automated machining equipment produces parts to exacting specifications. Shaft extension splines are induction heat treated and include an anti-wear coating, producing a product that is capable of surviving in the most rugged environment. In addition, the shaft extension is dry, eliminating the potential for leaks or contamination of the transmission fluid with hydraulic fluid and vice versa. Tight quarters beneath the truck chassis don't offer the best work environment for the final assembly of the power takeoff. Unlike our competition, Muncie's shaft extension solutions are mounted as complete, sealed components, making the addition of the shaft extension a simple procedure. In addition, output flanges are rotatable for flexibility in pump mounting. If you need to incorporate a shaft extension for your work truck application, contact Muncie Power Products, the leader and originator in PTO shaft extension technology.